In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install BLEACH Rebirth of Souls. If you buy games at Steam it can be really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find great games without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now for the first step we have to locate the game on Steam before we can proceed. So search for the Steam website, go there, and after that search for the game BLEACH Rebirth of Souls. Now as you can see this game is €95.99. The next step is basically to go to the link in the description. This will redirect you to this website, and once you are there you will search for the game and search for it now. After that we will select games on the left side. Now we will select lowest price first, and once you have done that you can see the cheapest game on this website is €48.31. So this will basically almost save you already €12 on downloading this game by this website. You will receive a Steam key or account, and once you have ordered the game then you will receive an email confirmation with all the necessary steps to follow to download the game through Steam. So it's an official game and you get it a lot cheaper than the games on Steam itself. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!